की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर हैं, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर हैं, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। के मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
अनार, बीचक दाना, बीचक दाना। मोती जड़ी थी, हरे से मन भरी थी, लाख मोती जड़ी थी।
And since we are unfortunately not very well, cash may be the best way of recognizing their needs and giving them before Pongal. So please be lavish, whatever you can. When, for example, Kucheli went to see Krishna, it was done with the art of giving something. The amount was not important, what was given was not important. So everybody, whatever anything can do, they can do that. So thank Mr. Balaji for the initiative.
Second question, which resident retired from Mangalore refineries and chemicals? Is Mama and Mommy stay in F block? Yes, that's right. Mama and Mommy, can you please stand up if you are here? They don't seem to be here.
Yes, here on the screen. So know your neighbor. Third question, which is gone back to Delhi, and his father worked for the office of the President of India. 4 presidents he worked in the Rashtrapati Bhavan itself. So we have some esteemed people. Mr. Lakshmi Narayan.
Shakuntala's mom is there. Mommy is from Uliyur Gramam. She has a house in Ananda Tandavapuram also, and she's from Uliyur also. Yes, Kalyani Tulsidapadam. She's not here now.
Whatever photos we have got, we have put it up. And
their grandson, Srinivasa Mama's grandson, Ganesh.
so we could get the photo of only 2 now. But know your neighbor.
Photography pair. This person silently rides his electric scooter. Yes.
Correct. The nice thing is they met also during a photography session, fell in love and then got married. So we have such nice people also in our group. Number 7, which mama worked for the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board and mommy is an English teacher?
Professor. And Mama. Which Mama and Mommy, according to me and many other people, are the best dressed? And this Mommy takes particular lot of efforts to help Mama around and takes extreme care of him.
No doubt about it.
Yes.
Mama type go.
Identify yourself. You want to see the best dressed couple.
This is his small family with his daughter and their children. Next question, which mama lived in Libya for 20 years and has recently come back to Srivastava?
Mama, we're supposed to guess first.
If you forget.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Mama, already he stood up.
It is Jayaraman Mama and Saraswati Mami.
Our neighbors.
So see, they are both your neighbors from Libya.
Okay. Who is the favorite station master? Sorry. Jayaraman Mama and Mami. Next question. Who is the favorite station master of Indian Railways in Srivastava? Yes.
Indian girl.
No.
This is his family with his grandchildren.
Which mommy has retired from Indian Railways and Mama worked in the High Court? Sorry, the picture's already there. Correct. That's Venkata Subramanian Mama and Jayalakshmi Mommy.
They wanted to come for this program also, but because of some delays, they are coming before program. Then we have.
Which two sisters have 2 houses in Srivastava? Akka, Tangkai, 2 பேரும் 2 வீடு வச்சிருக்காங்க இங்க. Yeah, Usha Mami and Anuradha Srinivasan. This is Anuradha Mami.
Used to work for the NCC. Yaar work in the NCC there. Matela, our neighbor, full life our NCC work panna ungalku theriyale. Okay. That is Mrs. Ganapati. She worked for the NCC. Give her a big hand. Anybody from defense, we should give them a big hand because of their extra sacrifices. Jayaraman Mama and him looking as Amitabh Bachchan, the look to Amitabh Bachchan order. 2 days done, short of Amitabh Bachchan's birthday. Who is the most knowledgeable person in Kumbakonam, well versed in the history? This person has written a book, a destination full of temples and traditions that is very hard to resist. Peter Arun sir, please. No doubt and a big hand for him. Independent of his business ideas and experience and others, his knowledge about traditions and everything is extremely high, and we respect him for that. So here's his family, and then not to miss out Paddu, we have another photo. So you can see his family here.
Expertise and houses in Srivatsam. Pakatha pakla ore block la pakatha pakla irukka. Maybe irukala theriyadhu. Clue is E block la irukka.
அவர் பேரு சந்திரசேகர் தான். KM சந்திரசேகர் and
Okay, நாங்க நினைச்சது உங்க பேர் சந்திரசேகரா?
Sorry, நம்ம சேகர் மாதிரி எழுதிருக்கோம்.
Sorry sir, we don't know our neighbors enough. Sorry. And Gopati Mami and Ramoti Mama. Gopati Mami and Shekhar Mama and brother and sister.
Then which Mama got the presidential award, great academician, backed more than a few PhDs and has many certificates and degrees. No.
Yes.
Dr. Vijay Kumar, please. Many people don't know he has got multiple PhDs himself and degree will list here almost 4 pages more. So congratulations to him.
Dr. Vijay Kumar and his wife Bhuvana.
Yeah, I think I will take the end of it for you to introduce your brothers also, so that they all know. So this is him and his wife, Bhuvana.
Which Mama worked for Canara Bank and Mami for UCO Bank, and fondly I would call him he's the Paropakari. He's everywhere.
Exactly, Mama and Mama.
Yes, right.
Oh, no doubt. Next one, which resident stays with his mother and he works for Atim Meena Parcel Services. Freedom and
His mother name. Which Mama can be seen doing a number 8 during his morning walk, and he wakes up as early as 4 and sends his good morning wishes at 4 a.m. Mami is a very good singer. Yes.
Subramaniam.
And Kamala Pal.
So you can see him 4 o'clock. If you don't get his good morning message, then you know. We are halfway through. Which Mama is always form of humming Talat Mahmood songs in the campus. He will be singing independent of whether others are listening or not and enjoying himself. Venkatesh. He's a very good singer.
Which sisters stay together at Srivatsam taking care of each other? Correct.
Let us pray for the quick recovery. Mami, let us take it easy because you've got some fractures. But let's wish that she has a quick recovery. Which resident works for the Great Lakes? He teaches MBA and is very knowledgeable on every subject, literally. And wife of the parent?
Correct.
Janaki. Really, truly, I have gone through YouTube and seen about 5 or 6 of his videos, speeches which he has given, which is there. I think you should also extremely knowledgeable on literally all the subjects. But data analytics is his specialty.
International ranking la India la one among the top 10.
Top 1.
Whose mother is being taken care by Durga Devi? நீங்க சொல்லக்கூடாது. Yeah, Mr. Ravi Kumar and Hemalata.
Which family has got 3 houses in Srivatsam? I think that record is getting broken. But which?
Sangeeta, உங்களுக்கு எல்லா ஆன்சரும் தெரியும். This is not fair.
Okay, I think they are not here. But 3 houses, the first houses are not.
Yes, one of
The
the.
first residence, they have not come and started staying here. But there are 3 houses that he has got. And I wish somebody else breaks the record.
Okay, which mommy can be always seen in Manisari 9 years and mama is the Asthana, Gurukal, Shastrigal, yes, and Pama mommy.
Okay. Then which person you can see through the window with a big smile every day? Ganesh, yes.
Ganesh.
Ganesh, remember? Truly, it is a big inspiration. It's something very
That's
nice.
his mother, Lakshmi mommy.
And his smile is the best part of every day's morning.
Which resident work for Ashok Leland and wife and son are excellent carom players? Yes. And Rajamani Mama and Anand.
Can you look more? Who is a programmer? A computer programmer turned Veda student among us.
Yes, correct. Ramu Prabhu.
Okay.
Which mama worked for Johnson and Johnson? And another important thing if people haven't noticed, மாமியோட மூக்குத்தி வந்து கன்னியாகுமரி அம்மனோட மூக்குத்தி மாதிரி கரெக்ட் இல்லைன்னா கூட எங்க வேணா கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் யாரும் சொல்லுவா பார்க்கலாம். Yes, correct.
Sorry, old photo. Which resident is 63 and still works for an Oman-based company in sitting in Srivatsam? Jyoti Manohar. I think you got it right. Unfortunately, he is not feeling well. He has not come here. Let's wish all these people quick recovery.
Which resident is from the defense? He's worked for DRDO, retired from DRDO. Yes, Ganesh and Mama.
Defense contributions are always big. Thank you, Mama. Which Mama works for an IT company in Abu Dhabi and came yesterday? Ram Subramani.
my namesake, Mommy's
And
Meena.
Meena Mommy. Welcome.
Okay, who is this person who always says namaskaram to everybody, wears panchakajam, and he worked in Indore? Good try, but finished.
D block.
Correct. Say Shekhar Mama and Sudha Mami or Annapurni.
Which two brothers literally stay in Srivatsam and take care of all of us?
This
Two
is a
brothers.
googly.
Correct. We hardly see him, but I think Sitaraman will agree he is the backbone of the pillar.
And of course Sanjay and Sahana. Sahana Dana? Yes. This is just a fun question. Which Mama and Mami went to a naturopathy center recently? They lost weight and soon after coming to Srivatsam, போன weight எல்லாம் திரும்பி வந்துடுது. பஸ் பட்டியும் முதலுமா யார் அது? One couple, they went to a naturopathy center in Coimbatore and அங்க போய் வந்து வெறும் vegetables அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு weight எல்லாம் குறைஞ்சா அதோ 7 கிலோ அதோ குறைஞ்சா இங்க வந்து கொஞ்ச நாள்லயே போன weight எல்லாம் வந்துடுது. அதான் thanks to Shabari, Shiva, Pani, all these people, but who are we referring to? எந்த மாமா and மாமி? They don't seem to be here.
நான் சொல்லலாமா சொல்லக்கூடாது.
நீங்களும் லலிதா, ரமா, சங்கீதா எல்லாம் பேண்ட்.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, correct. Sadashiva Mama and Shanta Mami. They don't seem to be here.
So now you know the value of some food also. Sad weight. Which Mama works for the steel plant and 2 generations they are here. Their daughter is a yoga teacher. That way we are introducing ourselves and my 2 daughters.
Who speaks with a Malayalam chorai or a Malayalam accent, and he is one of the first occupants in Srivatsam, me and Mami. Correct.
Which Mama works as a supplier for the Indian Railways and Mami wears the best of the sarees.
Correct. And Mami is Rama Sridhar.
Yeah. I think you all know them.
Okay, which couple, I just noticed it today. They have similar, ஒரே மாதிரி chappal, white color chappal. ரெண்டு பேரும் husband and wife white color chappal. அதே மாதிரி chappal வேற size போட்டுருப்பா. And Mama work for Tata Motors. Correct. And Mami is Sita Lakshmi.
And then a secret Mami, white chapel and you are They go together. Which Mama, ATS office opened with that and he has come here recently. ATS office. Okay, I think the answer is Srinivasa Mama and Jayalakshmi Mama.
Block B.
Block B.
He's also unwell today, so hopefully he gets well. The last question, which resident worked for Myco Spark Plugs, which is now called Bosch? They live in F block. I don't think they've moved there yet. Sitting next to you. Tyagarajan Mama and Narayan Mama. So with this, let's hope that we all know each other well and better and know our neighbors. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
And other than where they work, I think living here, we should know them more. It's an opportunity for knowing them, exchanging them. And I just give the mic to Dr. Vijay Kumar also to introduce his brothers and others, that we all know each other.
कहने वाला दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला गम से अभी आजाद नहीं मैं, खुश मगर आबाद नहीं मैं। गम से अभी आजाद नहीं मैं, खुश मगर आबाद नहीं मैं। मंजिल मेरे पास खड़ी है, पाँव में लेकिन बेड़ी पड़ी है। टांग अड़ाता है दौलत वाला, दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला। सीधी सी बात न मिर्च मसाला, कह के रहेगा कहने वाला। दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला।